Hi friends! In this video, we'll show you how to upgrade Windows 8 or 8.1 to Windows 10 for free. Microsoft free upgrade offer for Windows 10 entered in long time ago, but in this video, we'll show you how you can still get free upgrade to Windows 10 from Windows 8.1. Your computer needs to be running a licensed activated version of Windows 8.1. Your computer needs to meet the hardware requirements for Windows 10. The majority of computers running 8.1 already meet the requirements. The key here is running, as you'll need to start the upgrade process from inside of Windows. First thing you have to do is download the Windows 10 Media Creation Tool. Open Google and search Media Creation Tool. You can get this tool from Microsoft's website. Open Media Creation Tool and run it. Accept the terms of service. Select Upgrade this PC now option. It may take some time in downloading Windows 10 files from the internet, so it depends on your internet speed that how much time it will take. Windows will now configure your PC and get necessary updates. Follow the instructions on screen until you reach the ready to install screen. Here you can choose between three options. We suggest to use Keep Personal Files and Apps option, but you can also select nothing if you want to completely remove the previous Windows installation. Click Install. Now installing Windows 10. Your PC will restart several times. This might take a while. Follow the instructions on the screen to complete the process. After doing that, you should have Windows 10 up and running. To make sure that everything is in order, check if your Windows installation is activated. If not, use your Windows 8.1 or 7 serial number to activate it. So what's your take on this matter? Do you think Microsoft will ever end this free upgrade loophole? Let's know in the comment below. And please subscribe for more videos.